It's raining. Okay. So, hi my friends and my seniors, welcome in this video. So this video is gonna be a very special and a very different video from all of the video. Because guys, today in this video, I am gonna practice the English language. And I will practice the English language as I do regularly and usually, but there is a little bit a difference, which is the raining, the situation, the environment. Yes, I am practicing and I am trying to practice the English language, but I think that this nature is against me. But I don't care because everything happens for a reason, and today also raining for a reason. I think that this environment, this nature wants to teach me something different and something new. So that's why I also want to learn from it. For that reason, now I am speaking the English language and practicing English here, okay, under the rain and also with the help of the umbrella. So this thing I always say to everyone, that try to practice and try to speak the English language in every situation. But I always give people advice, but do I really do what I say and as I say? Yes, as you also can see, I am practicing the English language in this situation, in which situation nobody does. It is the raining situation, the raining time. We people, what we do? The people surrounding us, the society members and everyone, we practice at our home by sitting under sheltered roof, and we also just read the grammars, read the stories. We practice with ourselves alone. Nobody sees us and nothing happens. But as I also always practice at outdoor side and also at my backyard of our house, but today it's also raining from the morning time, so at that moment I was also very tensioned and also very like I was disappointed that why today is raining. Okay, some few days ago, for some issues, I could not make any type of videos, any type of English videos. So that's why yesterday I just thought that I will make and I will prepare a video today. So whenever I just woke up today at the early morning, 6 o'clock, then I was very disappointed because I saw something like this. Yes, this is rainy time. It's also one kind of a rainy day. Everywhere it was raining, but this rain was not very strong. It was a little raining. At that moment I also was very disappointed, and I also thought that now I could not make any type of videos because it's raining, and how I will make videos? I always make videos at the outdoor side with the nature, but now I also can't make videos, and in my house there is also no any good place for to make videos, and all the today the light and also the sunshine, it's not coming. There are many problems I also just thought, and I thought and I think that all of the things that I thought early in the morning, they were not problems, there were excuses. I just started giving excuses to myself and leave it, and then I also thought and I have decided that after few moments, after 2-3 hours later, the rain will stop. At that moment I will make videos, but near about 8 o'clock, 7:30, 7 o'clock, the rain was not stopping. And then after few moments I also start reading and studying some stories in English with my father, and then after also completing our studies, our daily studies, then I was very disappointed. I really wanted to make a video today, but for the rain I could not. And then I also said to my and I asked my father that now father, now dad, what I'll do? It's raining, and also now today I can't make videos, but for a long time I also not posting videos in my YouTube channel. And then my father said a very effective sentence to me. The sentence is that why you are focusing on your problems, focus on your possibilities, the solution, how you will solve this problem. Okay, if you always think about those things which you can't do, then nothing will happen. You will not able anytime to do that work. But if you focus on the things that you can do, then it also will be very developed for you, and you also will be happy to do something. At that moment I also just understood this sentence, and I was very motivated at that moment. And then I also just asked my father, now father, give me some advices, now what I'll do. And then he said to me, and then he suggested me that now what is your problem. Your problem is that you can't place your camera, your phone under the rain, under the drops, because it will be very harmful for the device. So at that time he said to me, but you can stand under the rain, so that's why take an umbrella and also come out at the outdoor side. It's raining, doesn't matter, because you have a shelter under, and also on yourself. And then or just take the camera, take the phone, and just place the stand under a shelter somewhere. Then we also have selected some kinds of places where we can do this activity and perform this activity. At that moment I also just did that, and now I am just making the video here. I am practicing English. Okay, doesn't matter what I practice, but I am practicing, I am speaking, means I am also doing something, and something, it will be a very big thing sometimes later. So just try to understand, in your life problems, okay, problems, troubles, mistakes, blocks, they are necessary. They will come every time. But if you always just think about them, then you can't do something innovating or inventing. Just think about what you can do. What you can't do, doesn't matter how much you think about it, how much you react on it, you will not be able to do that. But if you just focus on the things that you can do, then it will be very good. The things that you can't do, sometimes later they also will be possible for you. But first of all, you have to focus on the things that you can do. So this simple thinking, this simple thought changed a lot. Now I am speaking here, I am standing, I am very very happy today. And for to share this simple thing to you, I am making this video. Raining doesn't matter, my practicing matters. So that's why I want to use this time, and now I am just speaking and standing in front of you. So I am just not telling that I also just do it. You also do the same. Whenever you will feel that now I can't do something, this is a very big issue for me. Remember, whenever in your life you will talk about your problems, your difficulties, your troubles, it means that you are giving excuses to yourself. And excuses are very dangerous. I don't have time, this is not a perfect time, I can't do this, this is very difficult, if I do this people will laugh at me. This type of problems, this type of trouble, this type of blocks, they are not real problems, they are excuses. Okay, and they will never go. This type of problems, they will never go, and they will never move from your life until you just let them go, or also force them to go away. So just remember, become the warrior of your life. Otherwise, nobody are gonna fight for you, for your life. So this type of things, this type of normal things also can change a very big thing one day. And now, the another thing that I want to share with all of you is very important. This is one kind of a rule, and I believe that if you follow this rule, then you can do a very big thing. And personally, this is one kind of my mindset. And this mindset is that where people are ending, I will start from there. Yes, this simple thinking can be a very big thing one day. So just try to understand where people are stopping and where people are not going forward. Just select that place and then try to start your journey from there. Okay, like now I know that whenever rain happens, that nobody come out, nobody makes videos, and also practice the English language. Never, ever. So I know that this place is the most difficult and a very normal place for everywhere, where people are stopping, where people are being hopeless. But I will make this place one kind of my starting. I will make this place one kind of my comfort zone. And I know if I do this activity, then it will be a very teachable thing for me. And I'm learning from it. So whenever before this day, whenever I also see the rain, then I feel also very disappointed. And now what I will do, I can't do something in this rain. This rain is a very big trouble for everyone. But I believe that from today and from this moment, whenever the rain will come, okay, I will not be disappointed. Rather, I will become more happier because today I will practice the English language in another way and in another style. So this thing, this little change and also improvements, inventing ideas, new ideas, they are very very helpful for everyone. And if you also do that, then it will be very great. Just try to become different from everyone. Yes, different. Make yourself different, and automatically your life will be different. First of few days, people will laugh at you, people will say a lot of things to you, bad things, negative words, negative things. But slowly, slowly, those negative words and negative thoughts will become positive. And one day they will come. And also they will click a photo with you. So this type and this simple mindset can change a very big thing. And I also not say that only because for English, only because for life, you're studying also, your education also, whatever work you are doing, just try to make it a little bit different from people. A little bit different. Where people are ending, I will start my life from there. Okay, it will be a little start from me. My dreams, my goals, they are very big. They are very big, and I also know that if I started telling you and sharing the list of my dreams, my goals, people are gonna laugh at me. But I know that one day I will achieve all of them, and I will say to all of those people that, see, when I was and in my childhood, I also saw this dream, but you laughed at me. And now, see, I have achieved all of my dreams, but you are still laughing now. So this type of simple things, simple thoughts, simple type of motivation, they are called inner motivation, and they will come from yourself. Like all of my sentences, all of the things that I am saying to you now, it's not searched from Google or any another type of motivational speeches. No, it's all coming from myself. And English, it's a weapon. If you have this weapon, and if you know how to just use this weapon, then it will be a very big power for you. You will, your courageousness, it will be also grow, your thinking, it will be brief, and it's very great thing. And also, like now I am speaking, now people will not understand what we will speak. Okay, it's raining, so what we will practice? Like there is also advice that I will give you. Quotes, there are quotes for every situation. It's raining, I also have lot of quotes about the rain. Now what you're doing, you're studying, there are lots of quotes which will motivate yourself, and also practicing way of English. Now what you do, you're eating, if you have, now you are in some difficulties, some problems, money, financial problem, your society problem, physical problem, health issues, every kinds of quotes are there. And if you also want to talk about something, then just search. You will find out quotes. Like also read. In front of myself, I also have a quote. This quote is very beautiful quote. This quote is that some people feel the rain, others just get wet. And now I will also not feel the rain. I will also not get wet, because if I just remove this umbrella from myself, then my speaker, it will give me some issues. And also, but I'm just saying, whenever you also will see, there are two kinds of people in our society. One people, which people, whenever they also just come out under the rain, then some people, what they do, they just only dance, they just only get wet their body, they just take the rain as a bath, as a shower. But some people, what they do, some people just feel the rain from their inner self, the drops of the rain, and it also feels very good for themselves. So how you also just get wet by feeling, or only just getting wet from, you also can comment down below. So this quote is only not for the rain. There are also several meanings of these quotes. Okay, you can make a quotes as you want. No one will stop you. no one will give you blockage. So this type of, like, some work we also feel, but some work we just only do. Okay, your favorite work, which is your favorite work? Some people, everyone, we, all of us, we also draw, we also paint, we also just do the art. But some people, they draw by feeling, they also just feel the art. But some people, they just draw for to show off, like, I want to show off, and also I am drawing good, so that's why people will see my paintings, my drawings, and they also will be very very surprised. They will bless me, they will say a lot of things to me, good things, bad things. But some people, they like, they feel good whenever they draw, so that's why, for that reason, they draw. So this course, some people feel the rain, others just get to it. Do you see that this course is about rain? But I also took you to the drawing with the help of this course only. So that's why courses are limitless. As much as you want to speak, you can speak with one course, and it will be very very good for all of you. So it was the thing, a short practice under the rain. It's a very big memory. And also from today, I will try my best for to do this type of things, make this video motivational, energetic video. And now also I am sure that you are also feeling motivated. So I am also there doing practicing. I am also, from a long time I am standing under the rain, and also there are lots of bad mosquitoes which are also disturbing me. But nothing matters. I'm doing my work, they're doing their work. They also have to that feel full their stomach. So that's why, just do whatever you want in your life, and never just do for to show people, and also for some forces. Just feel the work, and it will be great work, like the rain. So bye bye to a great mind. Nothing is little. I'll meet you in the another next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe this channel, and also hitting the bell icon. Like this video, comment down any type of problems, any type of difficulties if you are facing. I will try my best for to make a video on it. So bye.